together forever. But jealousy can ruin everything. This is my dad. And this is my mom. Melissa, Sophie, have a seat. Daddy, what are you up to?
What?
What's this box? Candace, will you marry me?
Oh.
Mom, is he serious?
Yes.
Oh, I will. Kids, now we are going to be one big happy family. Are you happy?
Oh,
This is the worst news ever. A new stepsister? Are you kidding me? Melissa and Sophie are going to live in the same room. The parents have already made all the arrangements. Make yourselves at home, girls. You're going to love it here. The parents are over the moon. But Sophie and Melissa aren't happy. Sharing a room with her? I don't think so. This is war.
Let's go.
Honey, let's check on our girls. Oh, what a good job. They are fluffing their pillows. They are going to get along great. Honey, just a minute. The sisters really hit it off. They are cleaning up their new room like real friends. Mom, we're doing great. Just you wait, Sophie. Just you wait, Melissa. Let's take one last look, huh? Honey, they're already hugging and doing each other's hair. The wedding was a good idea after all. Our girls are going to be best friends. Aw, our first family breakfast. But someone at the table had a bad morning. Why are they all smiling like that? I'm watching you, Sophie. Just try to hurt my mom. Let's see who wins, Melissa. Aren't our daughters the best? Oh, I am so clumsy. And there's a surprise waiting under the table for Candace. The sisters are nowhere near friends. We'll have to do something about that, but I'll think about it later. Right now, off to school. Girls, don't forget your lunches.
Goodbye.
I need a plan. Here comes the perfect moment.
Yes.
Go ahead, Melissa. You'll have a special diet for lunch today. There you go, with a touch of wool. Enjoy your food. Time to get out of here before I get caught. Melissa also has big plans for Sophie's lunch. See you at school, sis. The time has come. Revenge will be sweet. Sophie, you left your lunch on the table.
Thank you.
Well, should we eat? Oh no! What is that? Ew! Enjoy your meal, sis. I think I'll have a bite. Oh no! Is that snot? Sophie didn't appreciate her sister's prank either. It's just a little slime. It could happen to anyone. Class is in full swing, but someone at the back of the room doesn't want to listen to the teacher at all. Sophie, move to the front desk. Oh, that's unlucky. But the teacher's word is law. Back to class. But the sisters don't have time to study. A real battle for territory is starting. We'll have to set clear boundaries. And who will answer at the board? Melissa wants to. That's mean. But this is war. Melissa didn't study at all.
What?
Too bad, Melissa. You get an F. Sophie will pay for this. And the revenge plan is ready.
Oh.
How you like that, sis?
Yes.
Oh, what's going to happen? Sophie, I think this is yours. Ah! My hair! How dare you! Time flies when you are fighting at the desk. Class is over! Finally! The sisters can't spend a single peaceful minute together. And here's Melissa's adorable last-minute prank. Bye, loser! We'll see who's the loser. After the first kick, you'll see. But Melissa is sure Sophie is the only loser here. The parents gave an important assignment to the girls. They need to clean the yard. But the sisters' war doesn't stop. Melissa is so annoying. Just give me a chance, and I'll teach you a lesson. These scissors will be very useful. I wish I could cut those pink things up into tiny pieces. Melissa can dream too. Oh, Sophie, we'll never be friends. If it weren't for my parents, I'd shred you. Honey, Melissa and Sophie are such sweet girls, aren't they? Yeah, we're working on it. You girls almost made it. There's still a little more to go. Hey, dream on. Exercise rules. Nothing is as invigorating as an easy workout. Girls, we won't be gone for long. You keep going. Sophie, hang in there. No one's going to stand up for you now. A little trip will cheer you up. Do you get it? That was the last straw, Sophie. Look out! Wait until the enemy is off her guard. Now let's increase the workload a little bit. It won't hurt. Now enjoy the results of your revenge. Help! No, sorry. Help will not come to you. Oh, is that so? I hope this cools you down. But no more distractions. Let's get back to the workout. Hey, why is it so wet? Sophie, you again. Good thing the parents are here. Mom, help me. Daddy, help. We can't leave these kids alone for a minute. Come on, sweetie. Let me help you change. Daddy, it's her. We need to get her out of the house. So much for a happy family life. The pizza is almost ready. That'll make Mom happy. Melissa is a culinary genius today. Mom, Dad, dinner's ready.
Wow.
Melissa, you did such a great job. Help yourselves. That smells delicious.
What?
Why didn't you invite me? That's no good. Hello, pizza order? What's Sophie up to? Honey, be careful. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll fix it. Step aside, Melissa. I got some real pizza here. Mom, Dad, try some. It's delicious.
Yes.
I've been cooking all day just for you. Delicious. It's so easy to win your parents' love. Don't believe this liar. Look, it's from a restaurant. Sophie, is this true? Why are you trying to one-up your sister? It's no use denying it. You got caught red-handed. This smells like betrayal. Oh no, it smells like burnt pizza. Don't panic. Everyone go out for some fresh air, and we're going to have dinner at a restaurant. Melissa will get her revenge for the burned pizza. This is going to be fun. She just needs to work on her twister game a little. Some glue will do the trick. Sophie, let's play.
Oh.
That's suspicious. Why is Melissa being so nice all of a sudden? Maybe she wants to call a truce? Okay. We can play once. Let's go. Right foot on yellow. Mom, Dad, you're supposed to be at work.
Wow.
Oh, that's bad timing. They also want to play.
No.
Maybe you shouldn't. No. We're in. Playing games together is a bonding experience. But this twister will literally glue everyone together tonight. And Melissa got caught in her own trap. What's going on? Why can't we move? I have to run before anyone realizes anything. Oh, my goodness. That's not what Melissa expected. But revenge doesn't always go according to plan. The game turned out to be fun, though. Honey, we can't live like this. You're right. We have to help the girls make up. I have an idea. Operation Friendship Forever. Let's start by getting ready. More food for the girls. drinks, and of course, popcorn. We're all going to watch a movie together. Not just any movie, but a horror movie. Trust me, it'll work. Girls, come here. How about an interesting movie? Just for you, Daddy. Just for you, Mommy. And another fight starts as soon as the movie does. That's mine! Give it back! These girls are incorrigible. But this is only the beginning. The next stage of the operation is to leave the sisters alone. It turns out the movie is really scary. What's with all the special effects? We didn't expect it to be 3D. Sophie, I'm scared! Help! There's a toy going wild! But the scariest thing is waiting for the girls in the back. Trick or friendship forever? Friendship, of course! That's the way to go! Girls, be friends with each other! We have to agree, otherwise our parents will put on another horror show! Did you like our new video? Do you like to prank your sister? Tell us about it in the comments! Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss more funny sister sketches on Troom Select.